If you want to view the ElevenLabs privacy policy, this quick guide will show you exactly where to find it in just a few seconds. This is helpful if you want to understand how your data is handled, what information is collected, or how ElevenLabs manages privacy settings, and legal policies. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, go to ElevenLabs and make sure you're signed in if needed. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile picture. This will open your account menu with a few different options. From here, hover over the Terms and Privacy option. When you move your cursor over it, you should see a menu expand with privacy-related links. Now click Privacy Policy. This will take you directly to the official ElevenLabs privacy policy page, where you can read the full document and review the details at your own pace. If you're checking this for account safety, business use, or just general awareness, this is the fastest way to access it without searching around the site. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to view the ElevenLabs privacy policy quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.